Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know that transferring assets like XRP can sometimes feel tricky. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XRP from Zaman to Uphold in 2025. This guide is straightforward, step by step, and perfect for beginners or anyone wanting a quick refresh. By the end, you'll be moving your XRP with confidence. First things first, make sure you have the Zaman Wallet app installed on your device and an Uphold account set up. Zaman is a secure wallet for XRP, and Uphold is a versatile platform for managing your crypto. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Zaman app and log in to your account. Once you're in, navigate to your XRP balance. You'll see an option to send or transfer. Tap that. Step 2. Enter the destination address. Head over to your Uphold account, go to your XRP wallet, and copy the receiving address. Paste this into the Zaman app. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 3. Specify the amount of XRP you want to send. Be mindful of network fees. XRP transactions are usually fast and cheap, but they can vary. If you're new, start with a small amount to test. Step 4. Review the transaction details. Make sure everything looks correct, including the recipient address and fees. Once you're good, hit confirm and authorize the transfer with your Zaman security features, like a PIN or biometrics. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. XRP transactions on the XRP ledger are super quick, often under a minute, but it might take a bit longer to show up in Uphold. Keep an eye on both apps. And just like that, your XRP should be in your Uphold wallet. A quick tip. Always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. If you run into issues, like a transaction not showing up, check the XRP Ledger Explorer for status updates. There you have it, folks. A simple way to transfer XRP in 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.